Guess who? Okay, so it's the first morning of our tour, and the bus is outside, and I am here doing. But this hotel is so pretty. This is Novotel in Greenwich. I said it yesterday. Flowers everywhere. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Little bar right here. Everything is so pretty. Pretty here, pretty here, pretty out here.